model, 2008 Toyota Estima Pop-Top 2.4 automatic fully converted camper needs auto gearbox repair 82k miles. Body, silver, camper. Mileage, 81,213. MOT, the 15th of May 2025. Engine, 2,400 cc. Transmission, automatic. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Unfortunately there is no drive. There is some issue with the gearbox. This could be a simple sensor issue or gearbox rebuild. We do not know. The engine starts and sounds perfect. Definitely worth repairing. Looks beautiful, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear camping area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest camper van which has been well looked after. Features: 1 former keeper, cruise control.